Hey friends, welcome back. And if you are new here, hi, I'm so glad you found me. Today, we are making a steak queso rice bowl, and if you are craving something hearty, cozy, and full of flavor, this one is it. Alright, let's get started. We will start by cutting half of a yellow onion. Tonight I want bigger onion pieces so they stay slightly crisp and don't disappear while cooking. I slice the onion this way, then cut those slices in half. Super simple and quick. Set the onions aside on a plate for now. Next up, tomatoes. I am using cherry tomatoes and I like to cut them into quarters. If you are using a large tomato, just dice the whole thing. Quick tip, use a serrated knife for tomatoes. It grips the skin better and keeps them from getting smashed. Or have your knife sharpened well. Now for the steak. I am seasoning both sides with salt, pepper, cumin, and a little red pepper. Try to let your steak sit out for about an hour before cooking. Bringing it closer to room temperature helps it cook more evenly and gives you a better sear. Add about a tablespoon of oil to your pan. Once the oil heats up and looks thinner, swirl it around so the pan is coated, then lay your steak in. I cook this steak for about 4 minutes per side. The timing will depend on the thickness of your steak and your preferred level of doneness. For a thicker steak, I usually do 7 to 9 minutes per side for medium rare. Once the steak is done, take it out and let it rest for at least 5 minutes before slicing. This keeps all those juices inside the meat instead of running out onto the cutting board. Using the same pan, add in your onions. Before they go in, separate them with your hands so they are not clumped together. If onions cook stuck together, they steam instead of sauté and won't brown evenly. I only add a little salt here since the steak and cheese sauce already bring a lot of flavor. Sauté these for about 5 minutes, stirring throughout. Once they are soft and lightly golden, remove them from the pan and set aside. Now let's make the cheese sauce. To the pan, add 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream. Let it warm gently, then add 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. 1 cup of white cheddar and half a cup of Monterey Jack. Stir everything together and let it cook for about 6 minutes. Keep the heat on the lower side and stir occasionally so nothing sticks or burns on the bottom. Quick note on the rice. Instead of cooking it in water, I use beef broth with a little salt and garlic powder. It makes the rice so much more flavorful with almost no extra effort. Halfway through, add a little pepper and red pepper. You will know the sauce is ready when it appears smooth and glossy, easily coating the spoon, yet still flows smoothly without clumping. That is the perfect queso texture. Layer your rice, sliced steak, and onions, then drizzle that cheese sauce right over the top. You can add jalapenos, sour cream, fresh tomatoes, or anything else you love. And that is it for today. This one was a huge hit in our house, and I really hope you enjoy it too. If you got any value from this video, please consider subscribing. It truly means the world to me, and if you are already subscribed, thank you so much for being here again. I will see you in the next one.